I'm so excited kasi it's my dream. I wanna release music and it's finally happening. Kaya grabe yung excitement ko, guys. Mafe-feel niyo talaga. The songs were selected based on the vibe and the meaning of the song. Some songs are composed by me also. Kaya it's like something very close to me. I guess the genre I'm very comfortable with is R&B or ballad. Like a mix of both. A favorite track from my album, siguro Ahuay. Kasi I wrote the song and na-feel ko talaga yung pag-write and I was imagining it. I wrote it about feels like home. It was nice writing a song and finally recording it. So it's my favorite and it sounds so nice. Kaya, listen. It was just like writing, really writing and recording and seeing if it touches my heart because it has to touch mine before it touches yours. So, ganun yung naging process sa pag-put together ng album. When I was young, I tried to write music, pero it never really did something. Kasi parang, ang bilis ko give up nung time na yun. Parang, cringe! Pero ngayon, it doesn't sound cringe. I love it. So parang, I didn't give up this time. Kaya it's unforgettable kasi it's an achievement talaga. So it was always a dream na mag-release ako ng music ko. Although I thought it was gonna stay as a dream, pero ngayon nangyayari na. Just a proud moment talaga na, wow. Rain from 2 years ago, a year ago, she'd be so proud talaga. Kaya, yes, I see this talaga. Yung dream ko is for my music to go all around the world. Naman talaga. Kasi, something I wrote from my heart, something I sang from my heart, and I hope it touches people's heart. Kaya, yun ang dream ko, like, it's gonna go big around the world. Around the world, yes! Go big!